Hello, today I will explain protein synthesis, which is how cells make proteins. Today I'm going to explain the process which cells use to make proteins. I will describe the central diagonoma, the steps of transcription and translation, and the roles of DNA, mRNA, tRNA, ribosomes, and amino acids. I'll also explain how an error in protein synthesis can lead to a disease called sickle cell anemia. Now, to begin, the central diagonoma explains how genetic information flows in a cell. Information starts in the DNA and then is copied into the RNA and then used to make a protein. This often is written as a DNA to RNA to protein, as I've shown you. Now, to start, the first step of protein synthesis is transcription, and it occurs in the nucleus. During transcription, a section of the DNA is unzipped and copied into a molecule called the messenger RNA, or known as mRNA. The mRNA carries the genetic instructions out of the nucleus so the protein can be made. Now, the second step is translation, which happens at the ribosome in the cytoplasm. The ribosome reads the mRNA in groups of 3 bases called codons. Transfer RNA, or known as tRNA, brings the correct amino acids to the ribosomes. These amino acids are linked together to perform a protein. Now, to conclude everything and have key components of protein synthesis, DNA stores genetic instructions. Ribosomes are where proteins are made. mRNA carries instructions from the DNA. tRNA delivers amino acids, and amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. Now, one mishap that's caused by protein synthesis is sickle cell anemia, which is a mistake in protein synthesis. It is a mutation in the DNA which is leading to incorrect amino acids being placed in the hemoglobin protein. This causes red blood cells to become sickle-shaped instead of round. These misshaped cells can block blood flow and cause pain, infections, and fatigue. In conclusion, protein synthesis is essential for life because proteins control structure and function in cells. Errors in this process can lead to serious diseases such as sickle cell anemia. Understanding protein synthesis helps us understand how genetics affects health. Now, this is the end. I hope you all learned a bit. You'll have a good one.